How to fix Lyft app not working. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the tutorial. So first and foremost, go ahead and open up your phone settings. You have to scroll down and select the option of apps and tap on it. Select all apps. Then tap on the search icon and search for your Lyft application. In here, force stop your application first and foremost. Head to storage and cache and clear up the cache. This will fix the bug issue. You can also press and hold your application and head to the app info. Again, force stop your application, head to storage and cache and clear up the cache. Once you are done with this process, you have to open up your Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, search for Lyft application and give it a search. Select the Lyft suggestion. If there is an update, you have to simply leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application. Also check for a Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch it to your cellular data or turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. Again, open up your settings. In here, you have to search for a system update and make sure that your device is up to date so that it can support the application version as well. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.